Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now if you want to see how I made these beautiful signs, stay tuned and watch. Now these signs were made with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Now the stickers also came from the Dollar Tree along with this beautiful one that says "This is us." I absolutely love that. So we are going to use Mod Podge and we're going to use those stickers, embellish these 3 wooden signs, and I cannot wait for you to see the end result. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while or even from the very beginning, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart. Now, this video is part of a collaboration called What Would You Make? And this is being hosted by OK at Home DIY and Connie's Wood and DIYs. They also have a co-host and it's Deco Easy. Now, I'm going to be linking the hosts down below in the description box along with their channel links. So make sure, guys, and full watch the video, subscribe to the channels, and then comment below and let everybody know how you're enjoying the video. As in all collaborations, we practice YouTube etiquette. Now, as I work on these signs, I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music and I'll be in and out of the video. I would love for you to head on over to my community tab, where there I post monthly collaborations, and they're all open invitations for everyone to enjoy. And every month I post them, I also come on live. So just let me know, guys. Now these signs came out absolutely beautiful. Let's head on over to the reveal. Now I do want to take a moment and thank the hosts, OK at Home DIY, Connie's Wooden DIYs, and their guest, Deco Easy, for hosting this collab. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.